meeting here with Bob, and we did his roof like 11 years ago, and we had like a little roof repair to do. The gutter guys tore the fascia and drip metal off, and we rebuilt it yesterday, and Bob had something nice to say.
Well, I just wanted to say that you know, Mike's got a team, but a team is fine, but you need a quarterback. And Mike coordinates his people, keeps them all on, focused on this final product. And there was stuff that I didn't even know needed to be done. And he was right there looking at it, very closely supervising them. He's got a great team, but I think they got a great quarterback too.
Well, thanks, Bob.
Yes, sir.
We appreciate you.
Oh, you're welcome. When Mike comes out to do a job, everything is going to be, number one, it's going to be on paper what's going to be done. None of this word of mouth stuff. And then when he comes out, he just ticks off the things that have to be done. And you know, any one of those things that they're not done exactly right. And sometimes stuff always comes up, right?
Sure.
There's always something that comes up. And with a lot of other contractors, you're the one that's holding the bag, right? Well, that's not what Mike does. Mike even goes kind of above and beyond. So I'm very happy to have him do work for me.
With over 10,000 projects completed with 0 complaints and over 30 for years in business, let's transform your home into the home of your dreams.